Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. So today I am here in front of you with a very important notification. I remember from last few notifications, civil peoples were demotivated. They were asking, sir, why the number of vacancies are less for civil. So this time, my dear, I am coming up with this notification from the side of Haryana Public Service Commission, where the maximum number of posts are for civil peoples, because the vacancies are there in the Department of Irrigation and Water Resource Management. So you can see the commission invites online application from eligible candidate for the post of assistant engineer civil electrical and mechanical in irrigation and water resource department, Haryana. So you can see, my dear, the total number of posts are 120, out of which 104 are in civil, 9 are in mechanical, 7 are in electrical. You can see the category wise bifurcation is also mentioned. Then, my dear, they have given the date of opening is 1st December, date of closing is 21st December. And my dear, then we are moving further. This is the official website link. You can go to that hpsc.gov.in and you can apply. When you will be going to apply, first of all, you need to register for it. After registration, you will be getting the login ID. And after that, you need to upload the Parivar Pehchan Patra or Aadhaar card, whatever they would be asking for the biometric purpose. Then, my dear, after completing of complete information, they will be asking you to fill your educational details, and also they will be asking you the payment. And after payment, the application process will be over. Then application process would be completed only after uploading duly signed download application form by the candidate. And they have also mentioned that you need to take the printout after making the payment. Okay. Then, my dear, one more thing I would like to tell you here, that like this discussion we have already done. Okay, that also we have done. How to apply also we have discussed. Then the online application can be submitted up to closing date, which is, you know, that 21st December. Then they are also saying the e-admit card will be made available on the website. This for downloading by the candidate. No admit card will be sent by the post. So is as the written test would be there. For written test, they are saying admit card will be available online. Then they are saying for guidelines, if you have any doubt, they have given the numbers. These are the contact number where you can call them for any technical queries. Okay, but they have also mentioned that the email ID also, and you can do the mail also. Okay, and the working hours they have mentioned 9 to 6. Then, my dear, name of the post and category we have already discussed. We also have discussed these are the category wise. The information is once again mentioned, and you can see the abbreviation and check where you lie, in which category you lie. Accordingly, you can fill the form. Then, my dear, they are asking about the essential qualification. So they are asking for BE or BTech degree in respective branch. Then they are also mentioning that Hindi or Sanskrit up to metric or higher education level should be there. So definitely, generally the students from the state of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, they are having Hindi till 10th class, so they can very easily apply. Other states also like Maharashtra and all. So it means if you are BE or BTech degree in respective branch and Hindi Sanskrit up to metric, then you are eligible to apply. Then, my dear, they are also mentioning that your age and everything would be checked according to the closing date. Okay. So they are saying in the event of number of applications being large, Commission will adopt short listing criteria to restrict the number of candidates to be called for the interview to a reasonably number by any of the following method. So if the number of candidates are more, अगर ज्यादा लोग अप्लाई करते हैं तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो रिटर्न के लिए शॉर्ट लिस्ट करे. और शॉर्ट लिस्ट का क्राइटेरिया क्या रहेगा? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ परसेंटेज ऑफ मार्क्स द कैंडिडेट हैव इन द मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन. बीटेक के मार्क्स दे विल बी चेकिंग on the basis of percentage of marks of the candidate in different educational qualification. Weight is decided by the commission on the basis of desirable qualification of the candidate in different educational qualification. Okay, like these are the basis. I feel we need not to think about that. That is the next step. First of all, we need to fill the form and prepare. Then they are talking about the payment, pay level. The service rules for this recruitment are available on the website, so you can check for that. And they are also mentioning the eligible conditions: citizen of India, subject of Nepal, subject of Bhutan. All these things are also mentioned. Then, my dear, we are coming on to the age limit. So they are saying no person shall be appointed to any post in service by direct recruitment whose age is less than 18 or more than 42 years. So 18 to 42 years is the age limit. Okay. Then my dear, we are talking about the relaxation for scheduled caste, ST, 5 years, for backward classes 5 years, wife of military personnel 5 years, widowed or legally divorced woman provided she has not remarried 5 years. Then you can see judicially separated woman residing separately also 5 years. Likewise, unmarried woman 5 years. So these are about the relaxation of the age. Okay guys, so now we are moving to the final things. Okay, so the final things at the end of this notification. Okay, relaxation we have already seen, reservation also you have already seen. Okay, so that you can also read. अगर आपको इसमें कुछ जानना है तो आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं, स्पेसिफिक कोई केस स्टडी करना हो तो आपको अपनी रिलेटेड. ओके, तो अब हम बढ़ रहे हैं आगे, एंड these all are related to that only. Okay, for reservation they have mentioned all these things. So guys, एक्स सर्विसमैन के बारे में बताया कि एक्स सर्विसमैन की क्या डेफिनेशन होगी. अब ईडब्ल्यूएस कैंडिडेट्स के लिए वही जो गवर्नमेंट के नॉर्म्स रहते हैं, 8 लाख रुपीज, वो सब आपको पता ही है, तो इसमें लिखा है, अगर आप चाहे तो देख सकते हैं. अब हम आ रहे हैं कि फीस के बारे में, कि द कैटेगरी वाइज एप्लीकेशन फीस क्या रहेगी. फॉर मेल कैंडिडेट जनरल कैटेगरी इंक्लूडिंग डिपेंडेंट सन ऑफ एक्स सर्विसमैन ऑफ हरियाणा. For male candidate of general and all reserved category, fees will be 1000 rupees. Okay. Then for the females of general category, including female dependent ESM, that is 250 rupees. You can see for male female candidate of SC, 250 rupees. For all person with disabilities, that is NIL, nil, there is no fees. Fees will be refunded to those candidates who did not appear in the recruitment test. Okay, they have also mentioned this note. Okay, so guys, I feel I have given you all the important information. For all other informations which are given, like the rules related to reservation and the rules related to NOC, you can see based on your case, and I'm sharing this PDF in my Telegram channel, that is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You can join the Telegram channel, because you know we are always coming up with all the notification on time, so that you are stay updated with every information. So goodbye guys for this particular video. Goodbye.